Thanks for stopping by for another video, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am planning in my Go Get a Girl catch-all, and I thought that I would use this Paradise sticker sheet from Pleasantly Planned along with her summer quotes. I also have my grid washi, my Zip Clean color dot, and my Simply Smith script stickers. So remember that you guys can use code Stephany20 to save on your order with Pleasantly Planned, and then don't forget to use code Steph15 to save on your Go Get a Girl planner. And remember that all of the shops will be linked down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started because these are such beautiful stickers. They are just so summery and I really love them. So I'm actually looking at this long sticker and I feel like it would be perfect here. But at the same time, this flamingo is like in the way of this box right here, which is where my Apple Watch stats go. But as I'm looking at this, I'm thinking that maybe I can switch the Apple Watch stats to the top box instead of doing it on the bottom. That way I use this whole sticker, because I think that I was planning to cut it in half and maybe move it down here. But I really like the whole sticker. So maybe this could be my Apple Watch stats and then this one could be my bills due. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing because I really want to use this long sticker. I think it is just really beautiful. So I love the flowers and the animals and it's just so pretty. So yeah, let's attempt to lay down this whole sticker down here at the bottom. Let's see. So maybe right about there. Okay, so not too bad, right? Okay, so now let's just go ahead and cut it. So I was going to cut this sticker in half. That's why I ended up adding this little sticker sheet to cover this up. So maybe I'm gonna have to remove it because I just ended up changing my mind right now. Okay, so yeah, that looks cute, right? I really like that. And then I think that I want to use this corner piece on the right hand page. So I'm just gonna attempt to line this up right over here. Just gotta move it up just a little bit. Okay. So hopefully that's good right there. Uh-oh. Yeah, not too straight, but we are just gonna keep going. So I'm just gonna trim this little bit off. And I don't feel like you can tell that it's not too straight. So yeah, that ends up working. So then I am looking at these little flowers and I think that these would be perfect like over here on the to-do section. That way the header is full of florals. So yeah, I'm thinking like right about here. Yeah, that looks really pretty. So of course, I want to do the same thing on this side as well. So I was originally going to put washi tape right there, but then I noticed that we had these beautiful flowers, so I thought that I would use them. So because we do have the animals down here at the bottom, I think I'm going to use this one. Yeah, maybe like on this side. So what I think that I want to do is maybe use this one. And I feel like I want to put it like right over here since we have that one right there. I think that I want to put it here and then add the quote on top. Okay, so yeah, that looks really good. So then as far as this one, let's see, I might do it like right in the middle. Not to the left, not to the right, but just like in the middle. I think that would be really cute. And I think I'm just gonna end up I think with this side I'm just gonna keep my Apple Watch stats over here because now I covered up this space with those, and I don't think that I want to trim it off right there. So yeah, I'm just gonna end up switching it. Hopefully I don't get confused once it's time to write in it. So, okay, so now I think that I want to add one of these quotes. So I'm looking at this one, Summer Vibes, and I don't know, would this one be good like over here or just here? Yeah, maybe just like right over here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks really, really good. And then maybe I won't put a quote over here. So we do have these two. So now I'm looking at this one, and I feel like we can add it over here on the right-hand page. Maybe to fill up the area just a little bit more. So I'm thinking maybe like right over here. Maybe like in this corner. Oh yeah, I think that's gonna look really nice. Okay, so yeah, right about there. Perfect. And then just this little piece over here. Okay, so yeah, that looks really pretty. And then we have this one. So I don't know exactly where I want to put this one, but let's go ahead and just get it out so we can start playing around with it and seeing where we like it better. Okay, there we go. So now we have used the whole sticker sheet, which is always a plus. So I'm thinking maybe like up this way. Not too much, so we still have like writing room, but just enough to add a little something. So I feel that maybe, or maybe if we flip it, no, I think I liked it better like this. Yeah, so right about there. Perfect. So now we're going to have this amazing sticker scrap. And I feel like maybe this one would be really good, like over here on the right-hand page. Yeah, so this ended up working out so well. So maybe this one could go along the edge, maybe like that. Unless I would like to add it maybe like right over here. Okay, I don't know. So here or here. I think maybe over here. So I'm gonna go all the way to the edge. There we go. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. And I don't think we had, well, just like the slightest little thing. So let's just get rid of that. Okay, perfect. So yeah, I don't think that I'm gonna add another quote. I like this one, less Monday, more summer, but that one is obviously perfect for a Monday, which this one is for Wednesday and Thursday, so that wouldn't apply. So I think what I want to do now is add, add my bullet points. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. I was gonna do the fourth one, but that sticker is covering it up. And now I notice that I don't even have space for my bullet points over here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I should have rethought that, but I didn't. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, I don't know. I was going to do 4 more over here, but I think for now I'm just going to leave it, and I am going to add my script stickers and see how we feel about it afterwards. So like I said, I'm going to put my Apple Watch stats here. And then I'm going to do my normal one down here. Okay, hopefully I don't forget that I switched this one when I start writing in it. And then we're going to do our bills due. So this one got switched down over here. And then this one is going to remain the same. And then we have our to-do. So this one is going to go nestled right in there. So yeah, I love using floral stickers over here. I just feel like it's the perfect touch. And then we have our water intake. So let's see, how can we do it for Wednesday? So this one is going to go down here. Okay, perfect. So I feel like I should still add that, and maybe we can even place it up there. I don't know. What do we think? Should I attempt to just like put the dots up here? I mean, I think that would be good, right? It shouldn't be that big of a deal. I think I'm just making it a super big deal, but yeah, maybe we can just place it here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, that doesn't look too bad. And I think that I am now done. So let's go ahead and put it back in the planner. That way we can see it all put together. This was such a fun spread to make. These little Cafecito cuties are super adorable. And this one is from Cafecito Designs Mesa Box, and I really love it. So now let's take a look at this one. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty, so summery, so vibrant, and just so tropical. I really love this. I think it turned out so cute. I'm glad that I ended up going with the whole sticker instead of like trimming it down and doing the most. I think that looks really pretty. And yeah, I love the way that this turned out. Again, all of the shops will be linked down in the description box below. So don't forget to check them out. That way you guys can save some money on your order and pick us some amazing stickers. But for now, I love the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.